Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to be looking at the top 5 diagnostic or scan tools for Fiat and Alfa Romeo vehicles in 2022 and 2023. I'm going to put links to all of these tools in the description below, and remember, please use these links because these links will take you to the official and genuine products. Unfortunately, fakes and clones do exist and they can damage your vehicle. So it's best to stick with the links and you'll go direct to the official and genuine product. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you which of these tools I would personally buy if it was my money to spend on a Fiat or Alfa Romeo vehicle. So we're going to start with the cheapest and we're going to work our way up to the most expensive. And hopefully by the end of this video, you will have a better idea about what these tools will do and which one is kind of suitable for yourself and your own specific needs. So we'll start with the Icorsoft FA version 1.0 tool. This is, although it's the cheapest, it does have a lot of functions. So this tool will allow you to diagnose and reset all of the main systems like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, and other systems depending on what's installed into the vehicle. So things like power steering, air suspension, central locking, HVAC systems, if they are installed, it will allow you to diagnose those as well. The 1.0 tool will also allow you to do oil service reset, like the service message or the interval or maintenance message that you get on screen. When the vehicle's due a service, it will allow you to reset that as well. And you will get free lifetime updates with this tool. You simply run a cable, which comes in the box, from the tool into the diagnostic port of the vehicle. So that's the 1.0 tool. The version 2.0, the FA version 2.0 tool, does exactly the same as what this tool does. However, this does offer more functionality, more service functionality to be specific. So this will additionally allow you to do DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake reset and calibration, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor, new battery registration, injector coding, and brake bleeding. Please note though that it does depend on the specific vehicle as to whether those functions I mentioned will work. So if you're in doubt or you want to double check, there's an email address in the description. Use that email address and they will tell you whether this tool is going to be suitable for your needs or not. This also allows you to have free lifetime updates. We then move on to the Icorsoft Eu Pro Kit. Now this tool will do everything that these tools will do, but this does cover more vehicle manufacturers, so European to be specific. So obviously these tools will only cover Fiat and Alfa Romeo. Well, this does Fiat and Alfa Romeo as well, but it also does things like BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, Audi, VW, Volvo, European Ford, and other European manufacturers. So this is going to be a good option if you've maybe got other vehicles within your household or your friends or family, or you're thinking about getting your next car to be a European model, then this might be a good option. Again, this is more expensive than these two tools, but you do get more vehicle coverage out of it. We then move on to the Icorsoft Cr Pro, which does exactly the same as all of these kits. It does cost a bit more though, but because it gives you more vehicle functionality. So whereas this just covers European manufacturers, this tool covers manufacturers from all over the world. So yes, it does the European models, as we've mentioned in this tool. It also does the Asian market, so it's going to do the likes of Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Subaru, Lexus, Suzuki, and other Asian manufacturers. It'll also do the American market as well. So if you've got things like Chrysler, Chevrolet, GMC, Hummer, whatever, USA, Jeep, then this tool will be good for manufacturers all over the world. This tool has been a fantastic seller. This tool has been one of the best sellers over the past couple of years for multi-vehicle manufacturers, simply because it offers a great system coverage, vehicle coverage versus the money you pay for the tool. So that's probably one of the best bang for buck tools, and that is the Icorsoft Cr Pro Kit. But that was until the Cr Max came along, which is the next tool. Now this is more expensive than all of these tools. This tool will do everything that all of these tools will do, but it looks different. It's a tablet based kit. So it can be used as a tablet in the shop or on the vehicle in the daytime. It can be used as a normal internet or gaming tool at the night time for the kids or whatever, but it's a fantastic all-round package. Integrated battery, as you can see, it's turned on there. This tool is highly recommended maybe if you've got a few cars in the family, or you don't know what you're going to get next, or you've got a small garage, a small workshop, and you just really want the best value for money or best bang for buck tool going at the moment. The CR Max is definitely it. It covers a lot of functions, a lot of systems like all of these tools do, but this goes over and above that because this does more. It does things like actuation tests, it does suspension calibrations, it does engine adaptations or certain system adaptations within the vehicle itself. Again though, if you want to make sure, double check, send an email to the email address below. It covers all manufacturers, as I mentioned earlier, and you know, I just can't stress how good this tool is. But this also comes with free lifetime updates. The competitors to this tool, say for example the Autel MK808, it costs more, costs about £150 more, and you do have to pay for updates on the Autel tools. This gives you free updates for life, and that is one of the big sellers for this particular product. It covers pretty much the same as the Autel tool as well. Which of these tools would I recommend though if it was going to be my personal money? Honestly, it depends on what my needs were. So say for example, if I just wanted to use the tool for one time and then I was going to sell the vehicle or whatever, I wanted to reset an airbag light or a check engine light, then this tool would be perfectly suitable for my needs. It's the cheapest, it will do the job. If you're going to be keeping your car and you want to make sure you're looking after the car and you also want to be able to cover other cars as well, you want the best bang for buck, the best value for money, and you want to be able to cover as much as possible within that vehicle, then you're definitely looking at one of these two tools here, the Cr Pro or the Cr Max. Me personally, if you could stretch to it, go for the Cr Max because that has got better software, it's got a better platform. The updates are very easy to do. It's all a one-touch system on the actual tablet there itself. That being said though, this tool is also a fantastic tool and it has been for the past couple of years. So I would certainly look, depending on what your budget is, go for one of these tools. That is my personal opinion. That's where I would put my money if I was buying a Fiat or Alfa Romeo diagnostic tool. Remember guys, please do use the links in the description if you are interested or you want to get a bit more information on these tools, because that will take you to the genuine product and the genuine official listing. There are fakes and clones on eBay and Amazon, unfortunately. They can damage your vehicle. Don't say I didn't warn you. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.